This is a tutorial for a black press-on nail set. These plastic press-on nails I buy in bulk off Amazon, and I just use Fun Tack to stick them to the display stand. I usually use gel polish or nail polish for a base. If I use nail polish like I am here, I do 2 coats and I make sure those are fully dry before I apply a layer of gel top coat on top. Sometimes I'll let them even dry overnight. I usually do 24 nails in a set because I don't have sizing. So that's 12 for each hand to make sure you get each nail the right size. And I usually do double accent nails on each side. Here I'm adding a layer of gel top coat. It's Wonder Gel by Nail Couture. And I cure that. I'm using Gunmetal Chrome by Born Pretty. This has to go on top of a no wipe gel top coat. So I just brush it on and then I rub it in with my finger. It turns out really pretty. Then I dust it off to remove any product and add another layer of gel top coat. And then put that in a lamp to cure. Now I'm going to add a layer of velvet matte top coat and cure that in the lamp. Then on top of that, I'm going to use Stamping Gel Polish, Plate and Stamper by Born Pretty. I really like the shiny stamping polish on top of a matte nail. Then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. It turns out really nice. I'm going to apply Wonder Gel by Nail Couture to more of the black nails. These display stands too, I just got them off Amazon as well. Then I will cure those in the lamp as well. I'm applying more of the gunmetal chrome to more of the nails. These ones though I'm going to do with a shiny top coat instead of the matte. This is more Wonder Gel by Nail Couture. Absolutely love this top coat. And these are gems I've gotten off Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Wish. The bling tool I'm using is also from Nail Couture. I decided to go with straight skulls for this set. I'm going to use Squeezy Gel by Nail Couture to put these gems on the nail. This stuff works amazing. The gems I have on my nails have been on there for 3 weeks and they have not budged. I have not lost one. So just make sure they're exactly where I want them, hoping to hit the center. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp as well. I think these smaller skulls came from Amazon. I really like these gems because they sit flush on the nail, whereas the crossbones are a little bit higher up. And now I'm using some diamond gems I got off eBay. And I'm just putting some more squeezy gel on the press-on nail. You don't need very much of this product. This bling tool is also a game changer. There they are, all done. Now these are the boxes I also ordered off Amazon from a company called Zazzle. I got the boxes, mailing labels, business cards, and this 2A tape I just buy from Michael's. And I put that in the box, and then I don't really press down the nails until I try to get them all kind of straight. For people who have already bought nail sets off me, often with them, they just send me a message with the size of nails that they use, and then I can make them smaller sets with more accent nails or whatever. Then I don't have to do 24. Now I press them down once I have them where I want them. Make sure they won't move when they're being milled out. And there we go. One full set of press-on nails.